door on the case to the skeleton door to see if it helps with the noise. So let's see how it does. Let the car warm up a little bit. Don't want to just take off and go. I had my vape. Quit smoking recently and I'm dying for a cigarette. As ironic as that sounds, dying for a cigarette, but hopefully this video can show you also what the car sounds like when I'm driving, instead of just sitting there revving it up while it's cold. The last video I took, I was actually in the garage at my mechanic shop, and we started the car and just revved it up inside. People commenting on how a car sounds like farts. Fuck them. I don't care what they think anyway. Told a few of them off in the comments. There we go. Just quiet it down. Let's go for a little drive and see how well you can hear the car and hear me speaking over it. I want to see if this camera's going to do the trick. If I wanted to do a little bit of a review on my car for 25,000 kilometers, because I know there isn't many people who have this car, and the few people who did have it, I'm sure they haven't had as many problems as I have, because I had a lot of problems with this car since I bought it. Just the sound of my water bottle cracking trips me out. I feel like something's breaking my sunroof, or something's broken in the door panel. Some clip that we found, I'll put a picture of that up for you guys. We found this metal clip floating around in my door panel. It's kind of fucking stupid. I don't know, I just took it out and threw it in the garbage. No one could tell me what it was for. None of the techs knew what it was for. So we threw it in the garbage and we pretended like it never happened. But my door panel still hasn't been put back on properly. They said they were going to order me new door clips, which never happened yet. And there's a little gap at the bottom of the passenger door. I'm really picky with everything, as I should be. It's a brand new car. And there's a little gap on the passenger door, which I want fixed. I'm going to bring it to their attention. I really hope you guys can hear what I've been saying. Not that the car is like insane loud, which I think it is insane loud. Here's a little test of sound for you, but more so because this camera is not the best. It's just a GoPro Hero 4. I'm not big into vlogging or baiting videos. Recently I've been thinking, fuck, why didn't I ever start videotaping my car shit earlier? Like, if I started videotaping this stuff when I was 19, I would be YouTube famous, guaranteed. I've had every car I could think of. I've had cars people could dream about buying, and I didn't give a shit about putting any of it on the internet. I guess it's different mentality, but why not? I'll let everybody see what I'm doing with my new one. My Volkswagen is nothing crazy, nothing special, but it is what it is. It is what I have now, and I wasn't happy with how fast it is because of all the cars I've previously had. And I said, hey, fuck it. Why don't I make this thing a little bit faster instead of trading it in 4 months after I purchased it? I have what, fuck it. I don't care how much money I've dumped into in the car. I want the other one. I sell it. I get what I can, and I buy whatever else I want. It is how it is. It's the way life works. You buy what you want. You work for what you want, and you buy it. So, all of that being said, I'm coming to the end. I hope you guys liked the sound of the car. Hope you heard the sound of the car. For me battling the whole time. I gotta take it slow on my street. My neighbor called the cops on me like 5 times. I'm not gonna say any names, but those of you who know him, the 4-letter word, and it's not the fuck word, it's his name. Maybe one day I'll release you his name. He's selling his house. After he gets lost, I'll release the name to you guys. Alright. I hope you guys liked the video. Take care. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to have a bunch more coming up soon. At least once a week, hopefully. When summertime comes, they'll come. The videos will come more frequently. But now that winter's here, there's not really much we can do. But yeah, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and stay tuned. In the summer, this thing will be 350 horse, 375 torque, and I will be taking it to the drag strip to see what it runs quarter-mile time, and to spank my friend who has the exact same car as me and is convinced that DSG is faster than manual. But I know I can power shift the shit out of this thing, and no, it won't be as fast, but I still think I'll beat him. Anyway, guys, thanks. Later.